Let's make matcha drink Negosyo recipe. If you like our Negosyo recipe, guys, please like and subscribe for more. Warm water. Matcha powder. Mix using milk frother. Add sugar syrup. Mix well. 16 ounces cup milk. Milk syrup sweetener. Blend well. Add ice. Pour matcha mixture. Add more ice. Matcha latte done. Warm water. Matcha powder. Sugar syrup. Mix well. Milk. Milk syrup. Blend well. Cup strawberry jam. Spread evenly. Ice. Pour milk mixture. Matcha mix. Add ice. Strawberry matcha done. See description box below for exact list of ingredients. Thanks for watching. See ya in my next video, guys. Bye bye.